Welcome to this video, which is part of a series of 6 video lectures where I go in detail on the treatment of road runoff. All the information you can find in the 2 links I posted in the description field. So now I invite you to look at this video. Welcome to the 6th and final lecture about the treatment of road runoff. Now we are going to look at sediment generation in a stormwater pond. The sediment generation is of great interest because when you remove the particulate material, you will also collect a lot of sediment or sludge. This you have to handle. So it's of great interest to find out what volumes you can expect over time that you need to disperse of and handle from the treatment plant. In order to study this, I used the site at Lilla Essingen. It is an open pond and the catchment area is heavily dominated by the Essingeleden in the center of Stockholm. The traffic at the Essingeleden is somewhere around 120,000 to 140,000 vehicles a day. That is the annual average daily traffic. The experimental setup was based on 6 sediment traps. Here to the left you see the drawing of the pond at Lilla Essingen, and you see the 6 dots representing the sediment traps that are used to collect the sediment during each runoff event. On the picture to the right you can see a good friend and colleague placing the sediment traps in the correct location in the pond. The result you can see here. On your left hand side you see the table with size fraction in the left column, and in the middle column you have the mean particulate size of the sediment in the pond, and you have the period in the column to the right showing summer and winter. As you can see from this table, during winter time the particle sizes are a lot smaller or smaller than during summer, and this is due to the use of studded tire on the roads in Stockholm. On the right hand side table you see the sediment generation over the different periods, and if we look at the middle column you have the sediment generation, that is milligram of sediment generated per millimeter of rainfall in the area. And for the summer periods you can see it's quite stable, which is interesting. For the winter time, as you can see here, it varies. But this of course is due to the maintenance of the road, removing the snow, so forth and so on. With that, I want to ask you if you want to have the article with all the material and some other results from these studies. Then I can send you paper 6. If you just post a comment, I will try to arrange this for you. This marks the end of these 6 lectures for the treatment of road runoff. With that, I say thank you for listening to the lectures, and if you have any questions or thoughts, post a comment and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Take good care. Bye bye.